Okay, so hey guys, this is going to be a really easy St. Patrick's Day decoration. I literally just bought two things at the Dollar Tree, and I picked up this little hat at the Dollar Tree. It's a little cute. And then I found this, which is just a headband, and I found it in the toy aisle, which I think is just like a headband, but we're going to use it as a beard. So that, and I just got one of my husband's old socks, which is gross, and I got another sock which I stuffed in here, which we want to make sure it sits good, so you can have it sitting perfect. So make sure you stuff it in there so you have it so where you can have it sitting kind of perfect, like where you can sit it good. So stuff your sock like that where we can have it sit perfectly straight. And then I had a wooden bead for the nose, or you can get, they have these at the Dollar Tree too. You can get them in packs in the craft aisle. I had one, but you can find these at the Dollar Tree as well. And then you're gonna need a hot glue gun, and that's pretty much it, and a pair of scissors. I gotta grab a pair of scissors. And that is all we need. I'm going to turn my camera around and I will show you how simple this is. Okay, so we are going to take this off of here first. Okay, we can plug our hot glue gun in while we do this part. Okay, and I'm gonna try to rip this off the best as I can. I thought I'd cut it off, but I think it's gonna rip off pretty easy without having to cut it. Yeah, it pulls off just like that. There's two little prongs there. We're not going to need this part at all, so just set that off to the side. We're just going to be left with this. And this is going to be our beard part. That's actually going to work out pretty good. And then here is my sock. And I stuffed it to the point where I had it to where I could set it up like this. And we're going to hot glue our beard on there like this. We're not going to see the sock, so you're not going to have to worry. It doesn't matter if it's going to be an ugly sock or whatever. You're going to hot glue it like that. Side of my sock, we're only going to have like a little piece of the white showing, so figure out where you want the front of your sock going. See, this is like the brown or the gray side. I don't want that to be my front. I want this little spot here to be the front. So make sure you figure out where you do want the nose to be sitting. So make sure you know where you want the front of the hat to be. So we're going to shove the sock up in there. We're going to fix the bottom to make sure it sits right like that. Then when we're going to get our beard, figure out where we want to sit it like that. And we can stick it up into our hat as well to hold it. And we're going to hot glue it as well. And you won't be able to see the sock either. You can always fix it around I'm doing this through my camera lens. That's a little bit hard for me to do it like that. So that is what our little guy is going to look like. And then we're going to add our nose like this. So I'm going to grab my hot glue gun, make sure I like that placement. Yeah, and then we're going to hot glue him down. This is so easy, you guys. And then I think I'm going to actually make him a little coin sack of money, maybe. Okay guys, how cute is my little leprechaun? It's time to add his little nose. Guess it's not so little. But the placement on his nose I think is so important. And there we have him. That is perfect for St. Patrick's Day.